Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another Techniques Tuesday. For today's technique, I'll be making annatto oil. Annatto oil is made using the aguacate seeds. Annatto oil can provide a slightly musky flavor and a reddish yellow color to whatever you add it to. You may also substitute saffron or turmeric for it. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this technique, give me a like, that's a thumbs up. Share this video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. What are you waiting for? If you are one of my subscribers, thank you for coming back, my angel, my dear. As much as it's within your power to do so, please be it a blessing. And be sure to come back to see how I use this annatto oil. As I leave you, I say once again, many blessings and much favor until we meet again.